27x squared y cubed minus 9x y squared plus 81xy. I'm going to pause for a second and see if you can get a step ahead of me and figure out what is the greatest common factor for all of those terms. If I look at my y's, y to the first is my greatest power that's common to all of them. Looking at the x's, looks like just a plain x as well. X to the first is my highest. And then the constants. What's common between 27, negative 9, and 81? My greatest common factor itself is a 9. There's my greatest common factor. Express the term. I'll rewrite it as 9x squared times 3y squared minus 9xy times a y plus 9xy times a 9. Pull the 9xy's out through distributive property. What I'm left with then is 9x squared times a 3y squared minus a y plus a 9. And there's my result. Now I know at this point some of you might be asking, do I really have to go through and rewrite it in that form and express it? Well, like anything else, with practice, you're going to start to see what you can do or some steps that you might be able to skip as you go through the process. Just remember that as you start to omit some steps as you're working your way through, you're still responsible for producing the correct answer. And sometimes when we skip those steps, errors creep in. So just be real careful about those.